Prepare hand sewing tools. Repair loose stitches. After the thread is inserted into the eye of the needle, then start sewing from one end. Tips: tie the end of the thread so that when the first stitch pulled on, it doesn't come off. Sew all the way to the end of the trouser where the seam has fallen apart, then pull to tighten the seam. The loose stitches are back neat. Decorate the seams of the sleeve folds. Prepare sewing tools. Start sewing by making leaf, flower patterns, or other your favorite patterns. Rejuvenates ripped pants. Prepare needle, thread and scissors. Remove loose thread. Start sewing from one end of the torn trousers, then continue until finished. Closed and ready to use. Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe and like button to get first notification for our next video.